Santa Ma and McKinley, this one in the capital city. Gators on the road here in Baton Rouge. Early on, a little defense. Standing up there at the goal line. But check out this quarterback. That is a gun. Cole Poirier completes a pass to Justin Storks. I wish I could put that in slow motion, but the spiral on this kid. Look at Poirier drop back. Just across the middle, just pinpoint accuracy down there inside the 5. And like I said, a lot of defense on a night like tonight. It got a little sloppy, got a little messy, tough to really throw it around, even though Poirier, I mean, goodness. Look at that throw. That's going to put up the Gators 14-0, and like everything else, has been delayed right now. 14-0 in the delay is still in the first half.